Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you how to bind the data in MVC file drop down list. For this example I'm creating a new project, file, new project. I'm choosing ASP.NET Web Application.NET Framework version 4.6.1. The browser I'm choosing the project name is MVC dropdown list. Dropdown. Click OK. I'm choosing MVC4. OK. And here the project has been created. Go to View, Solution Explorer. Notice here in this MVC project which contains some default folders and files. Now I am creating a new class in the models folder. Right click, add class. The class name I am giving employee details. Now here we got the employee details class. Let's minimize. The first thing I'm creating public int id get set. I want to display the employee names in the drop down list. Here one more property, public string name get and set properties. After that, public, I'm adding the list class here, list employee details class emp info get set. After adding the properties in the employee details class, now I need to create the controller. Go to Solution Explorer, right click the controllers, add the controller. I'm choosing MVC5 controller empty. The controller name is the employee, add. Now in this controller, the first thing I'm adding the namespaces of the SQL server using system.data, using system.configuration, using system.data.sql client. After adding the three namespaces of the database, now I need to add the namespace of my employee details class also using MVC dropdown dot models. Once I added the namespaces, now in the action result, employee details emp object is equals to new employee details data set ds is equals to new data set string main con is equals to configuration manager dot connection strings. Between the double quotes I'm adding my database connection string, my connection string, and this my connection I have stored in the web.config file. SQL connection SQL con is equals to new SQL connection, which takes the parameter of main con. SQL command SQL com is equals to new SQL command, which takes two parameters. One is a SQL query and other one is a SQL connection. SQL con. Now in the select statement, let's log into my GoDaddy database account. We'll check the table name and the columns. I just logged into my GoDaddy database account. The employee table contains three columns. One is the ID, name and salary. Now I want to display on the drop down list the name column from this employee table. Let's switch back to my ASP.NET MVC5 project. We'll finish the rest of the code. The select query is select name from dot dbo dot employee table SQL connection. I have SQL connection dot open method, SQL data adapter SDA is equals to new SQL data adapter, which takes a parameter of SQL command. What I'll do is, this one is SQL com. That's a bit confusing. SQL com SDA dot fill method data set. Now I'm adding the list class, list employee details emp object is equals to new list emp details for int I is equals to 0, I is less than ds dot tables dot rows dot count property I plus plus. Employee details emp1 is equals to new employee details emp1 dot the name. I want to bind the name only in the drop down list control is equals to ds dot tables dot rows the column name dot toString method emp object dot add here I'm adding the employee 1 emp1 employee object dot emp info is equals to emp object SQL con dot close method and the return view emp. Up to now we have finished the class and controller. Now the final one is we need to create the view page. Right click the action result index method, add view. I'm not changing any view name here. I'm leaving view name index as it is only. The template empty, the model class employee details class, this one, add in this div select employee colon at html dot dropdownlist for and is equals to m dot id. This one, this property I'm adding. New select list model dot employee info here we have to write this id, and the second string we need to add the binding table column, which is the name column. Select employee. Now we have finished the index view page also. The final part is very important. Go to Solution Explorer, expand the app underscore start, click route.config file, and notice here the controller name is a home, which is a default one, but we have created our own controller, which is the employee controller, employee, employee name, and the action is a view page, which is an index page, this one, index.cshtml. Open that one, build the project. Now here the output build succeeded. Let's check the results on the browser Opera. And here we got the output on the browser. Choose employee, James, Peter, Charan, Varun, Mohit. These are the names of the employees. That's it. If you like this video, please leave your valuable comment, share this video, and please subscribe my channel. Catch you on my upcoming videos.